This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Slide out the locking catch and pull the wiring plug from the mass airflow sensor. Undo the air intake duct bolt at the front of the engine compartment, then squeeze together the sides of the collar and pull the breather hose from the rear of the air filter housing. Pull the air filter housing upwards from its rubber mountings and remove it. On some models, undo the nuts and bolts and remove the metal shield over the filter housing. Using a large socket, unscrew and remove the oil filter cover. Then remove it along with the filter element. Pull the old filter element from the cover. Wipe clean the inside of the filter housing. Apply a little clean engine oil to the sealing ring at each end of the new filter element. On Euro 5 engines, press the element into the filter cover, whilst on pre-Euro 5 engines, locate the new element into the filter housing. On all models, fit a new sealing ring into the groove in the filter cover and lubricate it with a little clean engine oil. Refit the cover to the filter housing and tighten it to the specified torque. On 95 brake horsepower 500 models, if the air filter rubber grommets remained on the fitting post during removal, refit them into the holes in the air filter housing. Lower the air filter housing onto the posts, reconnect the air intake hose to the turbocharger, then press the housing firmly downwards to engage the rubber grommets securely. Push the breather hose onto the port at the rear of the air filter housing. Then press the wiring plug onto the mass airflow sensor and clip the wiring loom into place. Reposition and securely tighten the air intake hose clip. Examine the drain plug sealing ring for damage and renew it if necessary. Clean the area around the sump drain. Then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of oil to the engine, checking the oil level frequently on the dipstick. When the oil level reaches the lower mark, add approximately 1 litre to bring it up to the upper mark. Refit the dipstick, securely refit the oil filler cap, then start the engine and allow it to idle for a few seconds. Stop the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level, and if necessary, top it up to the upper mark on the dipstick. With the level correct, refit the dipstick and securely refit the oil filler cap.